Linguistic intelligence. Linguistic intelligence, also known as verbal linguistic intelligence, is one of the types of intelligences identified in Howard Gardner's multiple intelligence theory. This intelligence involves sensitivity to spoken and written language, the ability to learn languages, and the capacity to use language to accomplish certain goals. In the context of artificial intelligence, linguistic intelligence is the capability of an AI system to understand, interpret, and generate human language. This is an incredibly complex task, as human language is rich, nuanced, and full of subtleties and ambiguities. AI achieves linguistic intelligence through several technologies like natural language processing, that is NLP, natural language generation, that is NLG, machine translation, speech recognition, text to speech, chatbots, and virtual assistants, etc. Natural language processing, that is NLP, allows machines to understand and interpret human language in a valuable way. It is used to extract meaning, sentiments, or even entities from the text data. It's the technology behind everything from search engines understanding your queries to smart assistants like Alexa or Siri interpreting and responding to your voice commands. While NLP is about understanding language, natural language generation, or NLG is about generating language. It's how AI creates human-like text from data. For instance, NLG powers the technology that writes new articles from data or creates personalized reports. Machine translation technology is used to translate text or speech from one language to another. It's the technology behind tools like Google Translate. It involves understanding the syntax, grammar, and context of the source language and accurately reproducing the meaning in the target language. Speech recognition involves converting spoken language into written text. It's used in applications like transcription services, voice assistants, and more. Text-to-speech technology converts written text into spoken words, often used in navigation apps, reading digital books aloud, and assistive technologies for visually impaired people. Chatbots and virtual assistants like tools combine several of the above technologies to converse with humans in a way that feels natural and engaging. They understand and respond to queries, give recommendations, and even perform tasks. While significant progress has been made in AI's linguistic intelligence, it still has its limitations. Understanding humor, sarcasm, cultural nuances, or context can be challenging for AI. Similarly, AI lacks the creativity and emotional understanding that humans naturally incorporate into language. So, linguistic intelligence in AI is all about making machines understand, interpret, and generate human language. This field continues to evolve, with AI systems becoming increasingly sophisticated in their language capabilities, enabling more natural and intuitive human-machine interactions. Next time you ask your smart assistant a question or use Google Translate, you are experiencing AI's linguistic intelligence in action.